On this week's episode, we're doing Squarebody stuff. So here you see a perfectly usable doors with the exception of this hole in the bottom. So this is how I fix it. Not like that. Now this is how you fix it. I can quit. I'm done. So the F-150 just hit 74,000 miles. You know what that means? Oil change time.
I kinda fixed it. Yeah, kinda fixed it. Tried to fix, but it failed. Tried, but oh well. Maybe, but I won't try again. But I didn't feel like it then. I kind of fixed it. Yeah, kind of fixed it. I'm kinda down, so I'll just change the oil from the engine in my truck. Change the oil. I'm feeling like I'm stuck. Change the oil. Fast is my wife. They make me happy.